Welcome back. The Louisiana Department of Health honoring the men and women in uniform who carried our communities through the pandemic over the last 2 years.
Very important people. NBC Local 33's Vanya Joseph has the details.
We had no idea what was coming.
March 9th, 2022 marked 2 years of fighting a worldwide pandemic in Louisiana. Today, the Louisiana Department of Health honors those who rose to the occasion for the last 2 years.
I've seen National Guard soldiers stop and listen to people who were scared and wanted to know what to do.
Since 2020, the Louisiana Army National Guard has performed more than 90,000 COVID-19 tests and administered over 30,000 vaccines. State health officials say it's the selflessness of these people that have gotten the state through the hardest point of the pandemic.
Even though we mourn for every one of the 17,000 plus lives that we've lost in this state, we really remind ourselves that the work that all of you did is why we're not in a worse position today.
LDH acknowledged the sacrifices these men and women have made being away from their own families to serve the public.
One thing you cannot say is that those folks don't work hard, they're not dedicated, and they're not committed.
With a slow uptick in COVID cases again, it's anyone's guess if the National Guard will be needed in the same capacity. State officials, however, are confident they will be ready when and if they are called on again.
It has been a long, wild ride that I think if we had known at the beginning what it might take to get to where we are today, we might all have just packed up and gone home. But you wouldn't have, because you show up every day, and this is just what you do.
Vanya Joseph, NBC Local 33 News.